Today I'm preparing 3 extremely simple, quick and tasty recipes. That too with only 3 simple ingredients. So let's get started. To prepare the first luscious mouth-watering recipe, we need boiled potatoes. Now peel the boiled potatoes and break it roughly with your hand. Make sure either you boil potatoes a day before or let them cool down completely if you are boiling it on the same day. Once done, keep it aside. Now heat up a kadhai on a medium flame. Then add any vegetable oil into it. Once oil is hot, add cumin seeds. Once it starts to splutter, add cloves. Now turn down the flame to low or turn it off completely and add salt followed by red chili powder. Then quickly add potatoes into it and mix everything well. Now roast potatoes for 3 to 5 minutes. Break big potato pieces into smaller ones. While potatoes are roasting, I am boiling water into electric kettle. After 3 to 5 minutes, potatoes are ready. Then add hot water into it. You can also use regular tap water, but then it will take another 5 to 10 minutes to cook this curry. In another 2 to 3 minutes, oil will come on the surface. Now time to add dry mango powder into it. But don't put it directly because it won't dissolve properly in the curry and form lumps. Instead, mix it with water or some of the potato curry so that it can be mixed evenly in the curry. And that's it. Enjoy this tangy masaledar curry with roti, chapati or rice. For making second recipe, I am using these frozen peas. Frozen peas are flash steamed before they are frozen, so they are ready to eat. You just want to warm them very quickly. Another important thing while buying peas is that you need sweetlets, which are comparatively smaller and sweeter than regular peas. I have peeled and chopped ginger and julienne some for the garnish. I have slitted these green chilies from the middle. You can chop it as well. And that's it. That's all what you need to make this super impressive simple dish. Now heat up a kadhai on medium-high heat. Then add ghee. Once hot, add cumin seeds followed by asafoetida. Then add chopped ginger. Saute them for around 10 to 20 seconds. Then add green chilies into it. Saute them for a couple of seconds as well. Then add frozen peas into it. Turn up the flame to high. Give it a gentle stir and then add salt. Make sure you mix it gently. As I told you, peas are already cooked. We just need to heat it through. If you mix it too much, then it will turn mushy. Cover it and cook it in steam for 2 minutes. If you want to keep it semi-dry, then add little bit of hot water at this stage. Don't overcook it. Otherwise, the bright green color turns into pale olive color. Maximum 2 to 3 minutes are enough to cook this dish. Serve hot, garnish it with julienne ginger and some chopped cilantro. Add few drops of lemon juice if you prefer tangy flavor. I like it as it is. For making delicate arbi or taro root recipe, peel arbi and cut it into roundels. Now heat up the pressure cooker on medium heat. Then add any vegetable oil. Once hot, add ajwain or carom seeds into it. Slightly crush it between your palm before adding it so that oil can be released from the seeds. Then immediately add taro roots and roast it for 30 to 40 seconds. Then add salt and red chili powder into it. Roast taro root with masala for another 20 seconds. Then add water, give it a stir, then close the lid and pressure cook it only for half whistle. Once done, turn off the flame and let the cooker depressurize completely. Then open the lid. Look, it cooked really well but still retained the shape and intact. If you cook it for longer than half whistle, then taro root can break and turn mushy. Now add dry mango powder into it and gently mix it well. You can also add lemon juice if you don't have mango powder or if you don't prefer it. All these three recipes are extremely different yet so flavorsome, where the potato curry has distinctive, intense and pungent flavors from cloves. Green peas have mild gingery, cumin flavor, and taro root curry is delicate with slightly earthy mint and anise flavor notes from ajwain. These recipes taste best when served and consumed immediately after it is cooked. All these three recipes are considered to be Satvic Bhojan as per Ayurveda, which means pure, essential and vital energy. Do try out these divine appetizing recipes and share your thoughts in comment section. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, happy eating. Bye bye. Take care.